fan of Bunty since I was a baby. I can't even remember. I'm 42 now, and I've been.
Yes, my people. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself always. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. And today we're back with another one. Yes, my peeps. Today we are talking about Bunty Killer. The warlord. No business, everybody did. Bunty Killer, man. Bunty Killer stage show. With the rest of artists, them is not as a hell, brother. Man, go up on a stage show. Alkaline up on the same stage show. You know Bunty Killer, the ego king. Yes. He not even perform like how him really would want to perform. And mostly ego tune them my fling, like he must say. He get a chance to box down Alkaline. I can't do it, I have to go do it this kind of way. Believe it, my peeps. Yeah, man. Anyway, my peeps, it work out good because at least, you know, literally box him in his face. Yes. And it's a Bunty a legend. I'm tell you straight up. That's bullshit. You're a legend. What you have to do? Allow Alkaline. Make him do him thing. The new generation, them build up of all kind of thing. They will say any kind of thing out of their mouth. And don't care. And I like one time where you usually have to pick and choose what you used to say. Yes, but with them a sing and with them really a see. Yes, just like how in a year time we used to sing and we really a see and we a hear and we a know. Believe it or not. Yeah, man. So we have to do a focus on your legend thing. Yes, when you're old and when the afterlife thing. Yes, set up a thing. From day one, right now you should not see every clothes. You go on some major show and everything. So when you're done, you can push up your thing to a start thing in the last half. So in the afterlife, your thing is a big thing. Believe it or not. Not like so you wish that for you and you live forever. But naturally, what have to come. Yes. So I set the thing as a legend right now. Got climatic fast and everyone. Yes. Not true. Yeah, man. So, Killer. Nobody pre Alkaline. I'm gonna always do what I do and always be who I be. Alright, now if him stick after you and he is a giant like that, right now, him could have used you as a stepping stone and larger than life. But him just either him not see it, or him not want to do it, or him afraid to do it. Yes. Because you're right, man, you know. As a young artist, you can take up and throw up and put out. No kind of nourishment you might get off of you as a big star, as a big legend. You could have called him Legend Killer after this. Yes. Yeah, man. So just work by your character, the elder character, and do your treat thing because you have a whole lot of catalog of music. You can do that. You can work on it. And you have your fans same way, the dieted fans. Although some of your fans, them Alkaline fans. Yes. So you are my artist no killer. But still we rate Alkaline because them do it away. Him one and him have some wicked tune. Him have some damn tune. Out of the box tune. Yes. If I can't kill him now go dead. And cartel can't get rid of him. Him always No care how you go try kill him. Him always have a look of flint in the back. And a look of extra battery pack. To boost him up and shove him up. What I was have an advantage of age difference. And you don't know people them nowadays work with the negativity, and if Alkaline can run with some negativity, everybody are gonna run follow him. Come out and talk the truth. Come out and talk the reality. Come out and be who you be. People now want to see that better. Media not go show that. Media not go show that none at all. Yeah man. So Bounty, it's a message to you. Yeah man. And our Bridget not go talk and I'm going to make you know how him feel. Him say him know you personally. Yes. So you go hear what him have to say. So my people, hear what the brother have to say. Yes man. And him a talk real thing from him heart, how him feel. Yeah man. But I pray how him feel because every man have a different opinion, but how him feel. Yes my peeps, big up on yourself. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment.
I want a message I reach Bounty Killer, you know. Yo, I want to share it that's reach Bounty, you know. Bounty, yeah, my friend from around St. Lucia Road, you know. Jamming Zola we used to do, you know. You're a real legend, you know, Bounty. Bounty, you see, you're a big artist. And you do good enough youth. You help enough youth. Even me, you used to give enough money, enough time. And big up a friend, Angel Doulas. Them youth, the harmony, me tune, you know, see it. Harmony, me tune, I'm not going to take the blame. You must know my face. I used to carry these birds around I stood down with the whole of we used to share. But until I tell you, you see when you're a man in a rival, never you make the producer book you on the same man on the same show. And you know, so the man is a man in the two friendly and laugh with people. And him have a crew where him carry car. There is time for things in a bunch of killer. And you have to understand so there is time for all type of fruits. You have time for mango, time for orange, time for sweet sap, time for breadfruit, time for every fruit. Time for all type of style of clothes, style for all type of lyrics. Time where things change. You understand me? There's a big man, you have your general up there, you know, brother, have your stripe up on your shoulder, you know, brother. And just know, you know, your water down your thing, you know, brother. You see the bounty, you're a real general, you know. You come and St. Thomas up a gala up at the place, you share the place, you know. You come at East Fest, you mash up the place, you know. You're a real general bounty. But this only teach you the eye something. Something you have to know what to say or when to say it. Because you don't know him have a fans out there too, you know. And him a younger blood. And some of your fans them be film fans too, you know. It will come like politics. Or the same way by turn PNP. Because we have the people that imported come to Jamaica. The same people in Jamaica, and them I go to and from. If me bust tomorrow man with a big hot tune, the same people them run on like Gully Bop and them run on your case and be a bandwagon. You know the people them are the same people them, my brother. So one thing, I'm out, you know, my brother. Enough respect, you know, brother. Just go and do the work, you know, and put in the work, you know. You understand me? Just put yourself in a one category, man, where a boy have to know so him have come there if we have it on a show. And the tool corona I lock down and let me take away your visa and do them things there and you're hungry if you go up and show, you know. You do enough tune you can live off your royalty. And that enough people don't know. Your original write your song. So your royalty enough money. So you can do some business bounty. Put your money in some good business and ease yourself, you know. Take care of you then and go and protect yourself, G. Yeah, heart of love. So you think set, you know. Yeah.
Yes, my people. I know say a lot of them might have a different views. Yes. I might think a different way about Bounty Killer. But me I tell you, that's how me pray. Yes, another man. Yeah, maybe me cannot think bias because I'm a fans. Yes. And who might be another them fans, another Killer fans, I go think different completely. And who are Alkaline straight out fans, I go think differently. And who are both fans might be think differently. Yes, but in my opinion, yes. So just I show on my side, yes. My brother show on the stream side and him talk real. Yeah man. It's like him know killer from a longer time, from a taller time. Yes. It's like him know killer from a taller time. Yes. Talk about some personally meet up. Yes, all them knees berries and these things. Yes, like him know killer from a taller time. If Bounty Killer see that might see him might be recognize him if him see the video. Yeah man, so it's a message to Killer anyway. So big up in yourself. Yeah man. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. All who watch this, big up in yourself. Yeah man. All the viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. Like and comment and share and subscribe. Yes. Big up in yourself. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. And I'm out. Boom.